When your Greenworks pressure washer soap dispenser stops working, it's usually one of several common issues. Let's systematically diagnose the problem to identify the exact cause. First, verify you're using the correct detergent. Only use detergents specifically designed for pressure washers, properly diluted according to the bottle instructions. Avoid hot water, bleach, or harsh chemicals, as these can damage internal seals and void your warranty. Next, ensure you're using the correct nozzle. Soap dispensing requires a low-pressure nozzle, typically the black soap nozzle with a 65-degree spray pattern. High-pressure nozzles create too much suction and won't allow soap to be drawn from the tank. A clogged nozzle is one of the most common causes. Remove the nozzle and soak it in a 50-50 water and vinegar solution for about an hour. Then use a paper clip to carefully clear any remaining debris before rinsing thoroughly. Inspect several key components for blockages. Check the soap applicator, soap tube, and water inlet filter. The water inlet filter, shown here, can become clogged with debris and should be removed and washed with warm water if blocked. The ball valve in the soap inlet can become clogged, especially with thicker detergents. This valve controls soap flow and may require disassembly for proper cleaning. Clean the ball bearing thoroughly and apply a small amount of lubricant before reassembly. Finally, verify your water supply provides adequate pressure. Greenworks recommends at least 60 psi. Check that hoses aren't kinked or bent, which can restrict water flow and prevent proper soap dispensing. Inspect all hose connections for leaks or blockages. By systematically checking detergent type, nozzle selection, component clogs, ball valve operation, and water supply, you can pinpoint the exact cause of your soap dispenser malfunction. This methodical approach ensures you identify the problem before attempting any repairs. Now that you've identified the problem with your soap dispenser, it's time to fix it. We'll walk through the most common repair procedures step by step. First, let's address a clogged soap inlet. This is one of the most common issues. You'll need to thoroughly clean the ball bearing inside the soap inlet and apply lubricant to ensure smooth operation. For blockages in the soap tube or nozzle, flush them thoroughly with clean water until the flow runs clear. Make sure to check all nozzle tips and clean them if necessary. If the water inlet filter was causing the problem, remove it and wash thoroughly with warm water to remove any debris. A clean filter ensures proper water flow and pressure. If your pressure washer isn't powering on at all, check the fuse and GFCI plug. Press the test and reset buttons on the GFCI outlet to ensure it's functioning properly. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing future problems. After each use, flush the soap line with clean water to prevent clogs from forming. This simple step will save you time and effort later. Always remember to wear protective gear when working with soap and pressure washers. Safety goggles and gloves are essential. Consult your user manual for specific instructions, and remember that Greenworks is developing new models with detachable soap tanks for even easier maintenance.